Who's that little guy back there? Who is that little guy? Is that Nanny Boy? Is that Nanny Boy? Say rock and roll. Say come on.
Come on.
Say ding dong. Say what else does he say?
Apple.
You're welcome.
Did he say stinker? What else did you say? You say fireworks? Fireworks. What? Pinky? You say hand? Yeah, show me your hand. Yeah, very good. Where's your feet?
Yeah,
Can I see your feet? There it is. There's his foot. His foot.
Look, did you notice that?
There he is. There's the little guy. He's driving the car. Let's hear a siren. What's a siren do, Vinny? Yeah, very good. Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.